Hi guys, and today we're going to be unboxing a TicWatch Pro. I'm really excited about this watch. It's got NFC payments on it, it's got dual screen on it, it quotes a battery life that lasts up to 30 days, and it's won a prestigious design award. It sounds like it deserves the title of Pro. Let's have a look at it. Hi guys, I'm Shanebo and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then please press subscribe. I just want to start off by saying a big thank you to the guys at Mobvoi for giving me this TicWatch Pro to make a series of videos on. So I've got many more videos coming up in the future where we look at the watch in detail, how to customize it, and some how-to videos as well. So in this video today, we're not only going to unbox the TicWatch Pro, we're going to have a really good look at it from a first impressions point of view. Then I'm going to get it set up with my phone, and we're going to have a little look at the operating system as well. So let's not mess about, let's get straight in and unbox this bad boy. The watch looks really nice from this photo just here. Really like the look of that. Just on the top there, got a little bit of detail, and it's saying that it's got Wear OS by Google on it. Google being one of my favorite companies. Wear OS does so much. There's so many apps you can get for it, and you can really customize this as well. So what do you get in the box? You get a USB charging dock, user manual, and a TicWatch Pro as well. And then on the back, it's just giving you some of the detail on the watch as well. So obviously Wear OS, 5-day battery life with a layered display. It actually has two screens in this. It's got an AMOLED screen and an LCD screen as well, and it can flip between them as well to save the battery. Google Pay, you can actually pay with this watch. You can put it against a card reader where it's got contactless and pay with it, which is brilliant. Premium design materials, so we'll be looking at those in a minute. GPS tracker, so you don't need to take your phone out with you. You've got music streaming from most of the popular services as well. IP68, water and dust resistant. It's got heart rate sensor built in as well, loads of watch faces, and you've got Google Assistant built in as well, so you can talk to it. So let's have a open of this. This is a proper unboxing video, guys. This has never been opened before, and I've never seen a TicWatch Pro in the flesh before either. And I can't get into the box at the minute. Here we go. There we are. I've got it. We're in, guys. We are in. Okay. So slide it out just here. And we've got the TicWatch logo just on the box just there. Take this off and let's have a look. So here it is. Look at that. Look at that. That bezel there, guys. That's a stainless steel bezel just there. Yeah, that looks really nice. You can see why it was in the runnings for the design award just there as well. The body of it as well, it's carbon fibre as well. So we're going to put that down. We're going to come back to that in just a second. There's your charging dock, guys, that the watch will sit on. We've got a user manual just there as well, and that's the contents. So there is our watch. Look at that band as well. That's an Italian leather band just there. So let's pop it off. Let's get it out. Yeah, it feels really nice. There's a really nice weight to it, and it's just finished really nicely. Look at these on the side just there. See if there is any juice in this. If there's not, we're going to put it on charge and come back to it. I think we're going to need to put it on charge, which is fine. So let's just take the screen protector off just there. And the size of the screen's really nice as well. It just looks like a really nice watch. I'm excited to see what the screen looks like when we've got the screen on. We've got the heart rate sensor on the back just there. And just there, those are going to be the charging pins as well. So guys, I'm going to plug it in and we're going to come back to it in just a second. Okay, so here we are, guys. The watch is now loading. The initial impression of the screen just there, that white is very white and it's also very defined as well. So while we're waiting for it to do its thing, I'll try and keep the watch screen on the screen here. Like I was saying, the watch band is leather. If you actually turn it over, plastic, which is absolutely brilliant because when you're out running, you don't want leather against your skin, or if you're working out, you don't want to be sweating against the leather. So I really like that. Just underneath as well, they are swappable 22mm watch bands. So you just need to slide that over and you can put your own watch band on there. The clasp at the end is metal as well. So let's just turn it to the side just here as well so you can see the depth. You've got your two buttons just there. And that just there, that's a microphone. So you can talk to Google and ask Google the questions that you want to ask it as well. But yeah, it's just a really nice looking watch just here. So there we go. There is the Wear OS by Google logo. Let's start and we'll have a little bit of a look at the setup. We're not going to go all the way through, but let's go through a few screens just here. So we're going to touch that to begin. And obviously it is touch screen. So we're going to go English, United Kingdom, just on there. I'm just going to scroll through this just here. Yes, I've read it. Okay, on your phone, download and open Wear OS. So I have already done that. So Wear OS by Google, get that on your phone ready. Start, and then we're just going to agree to that just there as well. Yeah, we agree to that. Connect your watch. So there it is. It's found the watch already. So all you need to do now are just follow these screens just here. So we're going to let this actually continue to set up. And from there, we're going to have a little look at the operating system once it's done its software updates. Okay guys, just look at the quality of this screen. This watch face really shows it off with the cogs moving and the colours. It just looks really, really nice. So if you do want to change that watch screen, just keep your finger down on the middle of the watch and you can slide over and choose another one. And there are loads more you can download as well. So if we scroll down from the top, we've got some menu just here as well where we can do different things. One of those things that we can do is turn on Google Pay. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to save that for another video in the future. To get back to the home screen, just press that button at the top just there. If we slide over then to the right, we've got these tiles. So we've got steps and health bits there. We've got the weather just there. We've got the calendar just there. And a news widget tile that I've installed. And then just there, you can actually change them if you want and add some more to it. So just go back to the home screen. If we then scroll up, we have then got notifications that are then pushed through from your phone. And this just here is absolutely brilliant. So these are the Google parts just now. I'm going to do something now. I knew you could talk to the watch. I knew it was going to show you a picture, but watch this. What is the capital of the United States of America?
Washington is the capital of the United States of America.
The watch actually talks back to you. It's got a speaker built in. I haven't read that anywhere. So all the research I've done on this watch, I've never seen that and never knew that it had that on it. I just think that's so good. There's another way you can get to Google Assistant as well. You can keep this button down up here. What is the capital of the United Kingdom?
London is the capital of the United Kingdom.
So there we are. It's just plenty of features on here, guys. It's a really, really great watch. And there it is on my wrist. It's just a really nice looking watch, guys. I really like the Wear OS operating system and how you can customize the watch. It's got some really great features on it. I have got some more videos coming up on this watch where I do how-to videos and show you how to customize it further and go in for a real deep dive on how it really, really performs as well. So I've got some more videos coming up for you to click on in just a second. If you've enjoyed the video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to me. I'd love you to come back again, and hopefully you want to see more of my videos as well. If you've got any questions, just put them in the comments below. If you've got any comments, just put them again in the comments again. And there's some more details in the description below. Thanks a lot, guys.